For my family, our business began before Wisconsin was even a state. In 1836, our farm was land granted to John Edwards, my three great-grandfather's uncle. I, Tammy, and my brother Doug have begun the farm transition process with our parents Dick and Rhonda Wiedenbeck, making us the seventh generation on the farm. Doug is now married to Stacy and has 4 kids, AJ, Luke, Veda, and Charlie. The farm has evolved from a dairy operation to hogs, and now we have beef and crops.
By being raised on the farm, the value of hard work has helped us to be successful in our jobs off the farm as we improve and grow every day in some way.
We use videos to educate the future generation on agriculture and farm safety, and use apps for calving management and market updates.
See how much you can accomplish when you use teamwork? You guys working hard, are you?
Well, we're working hard.
Going to feed the cows. Gotta keep them healthy.
Last year, we used drone images to field scout crops for problem areas. We developed a nutrient management program using SNAP Plus and became BQA certified in 3 different areas to show that we're dedicated to food safety, product quality, and the best management practices on our farm.
Every day, we've been taking care of livestock. Every day, we've been taking care of livestock. Walk outside.
Our family is very active in community organizations like the Lancaster FFA Alumni, Grant County Cattlemen's Association, the local and state Farm Bureau, to not only encourage the future of our farm, but the future of others all around the country. We even trained a calf, Buster, for kids to have rides on and get their picture with at the fair, because interest in agriculture and the bond with animals starts at a young age and continues on. The love and passion we have for what we do is in the land and in our blood. It's
Our legacy.
Our farm.
Our future. Our future.